Okay, so here I'm just going to demonstrate the syntax of creating a deck, which is um, a special type of queue. So you're including the queue class from the standard template library. And it is a template class. So here you can see the declaration, right? So this deck is going to be a deck of integers, right, called D. And then you can see the syntax here to create the iterator for the deck. So deck integer again, colon, colon, iterator, and then this is just a variable name. You can call this whatever you want. So for this demonstration, and I just want you to see the actual syntax in C++, we're going to use pushback to put in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And here's a for loop that uses the iterator to go through the deck and display all the values. All right, so this starts off the iterator at d.begin. That's the first element of the deck. It continues while it hasn't reached d.end, which is the last element in the deck. And this increment operator moves the iterator to the next element in the deck. So here we're using our syntax. Our number up here is an integer, right? Because it's all integers in the deck. And this is just dereferencing whatever's at the iterator. So first time through, it'll take the 10 and store it in number, and then I'm just outputting number here. So that's one way using an iterator. And a lot of classes in the standard template library have an iterator. And here's another example, just using a range-based for loop in which you can do the same thing, right? And we've seen this when we looked at vectors. So we declare one number to be an integer, then a colon, and this is just telling you it's going to be in the deck, and then we're going to display it. And it's just going to go through and repeat this for every element in the deck. So they kind of do the same thing, but I wanted to show you the syntax. And using the iterator, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the range-based for loop. Same thing, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.